Hey guys, today we're going to be opening another package. So, let's see what's inside. By the way, I might make a system test video today as well. But it's not going to be in this video. Hold on. It's going to take a while for me to open it because it's not in a box. It's in a bag. It's in like a bag-like package. Alright. This is what came in the package. An EST fire alarm remote horn. And it came with a rare plate. This plate is an accessory, okay? Usually you also have these plates with fire lettering, but it has the alert plate instead. And you have the fire alarm mounted onto the alert plate. And it has the fire logo thing. I don't know. Anyway, let's open this bubble wrap so that we can inspect it more closely. Alright, so this is the back of the alarm, and as you can see, this alarm is mounted into the trim plate, and the screws are included, so that's good. So let's see what the model number of this alarm is. So this is it says that's a remote horn. And the model number is I think the model number is EG1P or the G1P, I don't know. But anyway, yeah. So let's unscrew the alarm off the trim plate to see it more. So first of all, I'm gonna have to figure out how to take it off the trim plate. These alarms are known to be very loud. I need to get a flathead screwdriver. So this screwdriver is kind of good because we have small heads and big heads. So I'm gonna use a small flathead screwdriver. Then I'm gonna try taking off the front part of the alarm. Oh, that was easy. Oh, hold on. Oh. How do I take this off? Oh. There we go, I took it off, but like one of the tabs broke. Yeah, these alarms are very delicate, so you see there was supposed to be a tab over here. It just broke off when I tried opening it, so hope I don't break another tab. Having a difficulty taking it off. There it goes. Took off the cover plate, and as you can see, the broken tab fell over here. Hold on. So yeah, that's the broken tab. Don't need that anymore since it broke off. Dang it. Anyways, I'm not sure if these alarms were discontinued or not, because I don't see these alarms on the EST Genesis alarms on the Edwards website. By the way, this is where the strobe is supposed to be, but since this is a horn only version, you could see the piezo. And I think this is one of the top loudest alarms. I don't know, because it's a fixed high volume alarm. I don't know. But anyways, let's take this thing off the cover plate. I recommend you be careful with these alarms when you get them, because they break easily if you take it wrong. So screw the actual alarm off the thing. By the way, when you're installing this alarm, you're directly able to see all the inside parts of it. I mean, that's the way EST did things. The newer LED versions of the alarms, though, they're not really that way. You don't have to amalgam the other similar to the system sensor devices. Get those off very small. How long is the screw? Okay, I took that off, but it's still off. Bro, I read one of the EST alarms I didn't have in my collection, and I hope I don't break this thing because it's very delicate, so when it comes to mounting one. My wrist is hurt. I'm gonna stop bringing it off. I'm gonna stop recording for a while because this video is getting very long. Alright guys, I took the alarm of the cover plate. So this is what the cover plate looks like. This is pretty much an accessory because usually these alarms are not mounted with these cover plates unless you need some mass notification or something. There's also, of course, the ones with the fire lettering are common. The place with the fire lettering are more common. So, yeah. Now, also one more thing I noticed is that the top screw does not come out because you have this little white thing. So, they want their screws to be a bit proprietary, I guess. So, yeah. Without further ado, let's try testing this alarm. Hope it doesn't blow out my ears. Alright guys, I wired up the alarm a bit. And I put some paper in front of its piezo, so just in case it wants to blow my ears. Anyways, 3, 2, 1. Oh! This is a very different alarm. Okay, so... I thought it was one of those code 3 fire alarm devices that EST usually sells, but no, this is the mini horn versions. So, I heard about a lot of apartments that and hotels that had these alarms. So, yeah, I guess I got a bit fooled right there. Dang it. I thought I got the code 3 version. So next time I order an alarm, I'm going to try getting the code 3 version of this. This is like a mini horn version of the EST fire alarm device, so it only does continuous. So yeah guys, this is a good alarm, but I just hate the fact that I got a bit fooled here because I thought I was going to do the loud code 3 tone, but no, this is a continuous mini horn version. So yeah guys, that's the video, bye. I found out one more thing about this alarm though. The whole alarm is weird because of the fact that this produces a tone like a smoke detector and it's only continuous. So yeah guys, but I don't know, because I didn't really see these alarms on these trim plates for some reason. So looks like the person who used to own this, he brought the trim plates separately and he put this onto there. So yeah, I think this was made during the time when the earlier EST Genesis alarms were made. So like they made that little different sound when they were producing the code 3 tone. So yeah, I think these were mostly installed in a system with Edwards integrities. So yeah, that's all I need to say. If you find this alarm, good, because this is very rare. I know very few people who own this alarm actually. So yeah guys, bye. That was the unpackaging video, and expect this to be in the next system test.